What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 1993 Chevy Blazer. We're going to be doing all the brake lines on it today. So the idea behind this is I'm going to be taking these lines, I'm going to be bending them to these lines here, so I'm making basically a perfect match of the line. Alright guys, so the tools I got here I got a pipe bender here that helps bend these around. I got this just in case I got to do a very sharp turn, and I can put this right like this and it'll help me bend it easier. I got filers so that when we use this tool, what we do is we're gonna make sure the outside of it has no extra piece of metal on it or anything like that. We got drill bits so that we can put these inside of the pipe. We'll put them inside to clean out the extra shavings, just like with this tool, but that's for the inside. We got our flare tool here. Now I got this piece and this piece here. That works like this. Now what you do usually is you take a piece of this, put it between here. The side you want to flare goes towards this here, the beveled end of it. And what you do is you take one of these pieces right here. I chose this one. Now you gotta find a piece that slides into here, one that just fits perfectly right there. All the ones over here are too big, so you put this in here like this, while it's in here like that. Basically all you do is like this, you just put this like this, and you basically just turn this, and then you just crimp the line down. So we're gonna use the steel line for the shorter one, since it has less bends than this one, because it's harder to bend than the copper line I have here. So we're gonna start with this one on the shorter line. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna start with this side. I'll start with this side actually. So what I'm gonna do is go right here, get my bending tool, figure out which way I gotta pull, so I'll have to pull this way to bend this way. So here's my brake line. Made it at least similar to it. Now, just so you know, like when you do brake lines like this, you don't try to get as close as possible to know that you're not gonna get it exact, most likely. So always keep that in mind. As long as you have, so let's see, so mine's right here. So I see I'm not like perfectly aligned with this one. Like I'm probably a little off with the length, but it's still gonna work. I still can just always, and you can always bend these pipes a little bit, bend this way, that way, when you get to go into the truck itself. Like I said, I'm not gonna flange this until I get outside and make sure that this all kind of works together. Because if not, if this comes too close to it, then all I gotta do is just bend this back a little bit, and then I can just now have more room to go up more. So that's one brake line done. All right, so let's see. I don't think I have enough pipe for this. I measured it with string, so it should have gave me the right diameter, but I guess we're just gonna go plug up into the truck and see where we go. We might not have to do anything with this brake line here. Here's our two brand new brake lines here we got. This is for the left side here. This goes like this, I think. Yeah, this goes like this way, there. And then this one will go this way here to there. And that's how these basically go. All right, guys, give you guys a quick update. So what's going on right now is that this is actually too long right here. I got this to be like a good angle, good amount of angle to go in between the leaf spring and the where this goes into, but this actually sticks out way too far this way. So I needed to try to find a bend the way back this way, and then either try to, I don't know what I'm doing yet exactly. Alright, so I don't know where the video cut off at. I don't know if it cut off underneath the truck, or I have no clue. So I'm gonna start with so what I had to do is I cut this off here. I cut the tip off. I was putting it in backwards, which is why it was not fitting it at all. So I flipped it around. It works better now. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna flange it now. Alright guys, here's my flange. It's not the best flange. I probably might have to redo it again, because the flange tools, like, these are usually good, but for some reason the ones I have just don't work. I think just because they're cheap ones. But we're gonna try this out. Hopefully it doesn't leak. but we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so I just realized I forgot to put the bolt on, so I gotta redo the flange again. So don't do that. Don't forget the flange. I mean the bolt, because then you gotta redo the whole process again, which is just a pain in the butt. So don't do what I do. All right, guys, we got our flange here. This looks a lot better than the other one, anyways. So we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go put it in, and hopefully it seals. All right, I think we're in. Look at that. Usually this might mean that it may leak, because usually it's going real easy now. All right, let's bend this tab in though. Bend this tab in so that. All right, looks like we're in. Let me just try to hammer this in again. And I got this line in before because I want to take a break from that line, so I did this line just to take a little break. So that's why this line's already in. All right, and these lines are in. All right, guys, I think that'll be it for today. Like I said, so what we got done so far is we just got the brake lines in. And that's pretty much all I got. I gotta wait for my father or somebody just to come over here to help me bleed the brakes, just so I can have someone pump the brakes as I go down there, or someone else goes down there and just lets the fluid out. But other than that, the brakes are done in this truck. So hopefully next video we'll be seeing this truck be driving, or the next video of this truck will be driving around, at least in the backyard, so it's not insured right now. But so other than that, guys, if you guys liked the video, please leave a like down below, comment down below, and please go subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.